Wildlife can be severely affected by marine pollution. Seabird populations come to mind, but other classes of organisms can also suffer. Reptiles, sea turtles, marine mammals, cetaceans such as whales and dolphins, pinnipeds such as otters and seals, fishes. Drones could be used to assess some changes through the following strategies. Counting the number of individuals in wildlife populations that may have been injured by an oil or HNS spill. Observe the behavior of individuals. Observing signs of contamination in individuals. Unmanned aerial systems (UAS) have the potential to collect high-resolution images of wildlife for life history studies without disturbing the species being studied. The use of a multicopter is preferable to a fixed-wing drone because it is often necessary to make precise observations, like of individual behavior, that require stationary flight. If the UAS is operating under a Beyond Line of Sight (BLOS) permit, it could be used to search for wildlife. Responsible wildlife surveys using drones should be realized by experts experienced in the biology and behavior of the target animals. Real-time visualization of the drone's images allows the experts to interact with the pilot during the flight. Close communication between pilots and experts is crucial for an effective and timely response. The use of a thermal camera makes it possible to observe marine fauna on the surface of the sea or along a cliff, even at night. The temperature contrast makes it possible to distinguish each individual animal very clearly. In the case of coastal colonies of marine fauna, it is advisable to combine 3D photogrammetry with the ability of the thermal camera to observe and detect animals at night. The use of drones is an important development in the assessment and response of avifauna affected by marine environmental emergencies and in ornithological monitoring studies. It is a powerful method to fill the gap in bird counting at sea. Until now, only rough estimates have been possible.